Today, we're diving into a repair on a direct drive Whirlpool washing machine. The other day, the washer started making a really loud screeching noise during the spin cycle at really high speed. It sounds like a clutch issue, so in this video, we're going to replace the clutch gear, and the washer rotor. And before we get started, here's a quick dad tip. Always unplug the machine before doing any maintenance. Safety first. First, turn off the water to both the hot and cold supply lines. Keep a bucket handy. When you disconnect those hoses, you'll get some runoff. Next, we need to access the bottom of the washer. Pull it far enough away from the wall so you can lay it on its back and still have room to work underneath. Lay down a towel or a blanket. This protects the floor, protects the washer, and catches any extra water that might leak out. I also had to adjust my drain hose to make sure it stayed in the bucket once I laid the machine back. And remember, these machines are heavy. Don't hesitate to grab a helper. Oh, and tape the lid shut. I forgot. The lid popped open and almost caused some damage. Now, let's remove the washer rotor. You'll need a Torx bit. Your model may vary, so check which size fits. Sometimes the rotor wants to spin while you loosen the screw, so use a screwdriver to wedge it in place if needed. Once the screw is out, pull the rotor straight off the spindle. It may feel like it's fighting you. Those magnets are strong. Take a look at the wear marks on the rotor. On mine, the paint lines show obvious wear, so we're definitely replacing it. Take a moment to inspect the stator. This one looks good. No signs of damage, so we'll be reusing it. Next, we'll remove the stator and the clutch assembly. There are 6 10mm screws holding it in place. Before you remove the last screw, disconnect the wiring harness. Just press down on the tab and separate the connectors. Hold the assembly with one hand while removing that final screw so it doesn't fall. Now, separate the clutch assembly from the stator. Remove the wires from the wire guide, and the pieces will come apart easily. My new clutch came with a new wire connection holder. I'm taking it off for now, but I'll probably install it later. To remove the wires from the old holder, just pinch the sides and slide them out. Now let's replace the clutch gear. It's held in place by a small spring retaining clip. Use a pick or a similar tool to get one end started and then work the clip around until it comes off. Install the new gear by reversing the process. Slide the gear on with the teeth facing outward, reinstall the spring, then snap the retaining clip back into its groove. You'll need a 10mm socket to transfer or replace the wire retainer clip. Time to put everything back together. Place the stator and clutch assembly back onto the machine. Keep the wires aligned near the 4 o'clock position where they'll reconnect. Start all 6 screws by hand, then tighten them down evenly. Insert the connectors into the new retainer. They only fit one way. White connector on top, tab facing upward. Black connector on the bottom, tab facing downward. Push them together until you hear a solid click. Now, reinstall the rotor. There's no specific orientation, but watch your fingers. The magnets are strong and will try to pull it from your hands. Slide it onto the spindle and give it a couple taps to seat it properly. Reinstall the torque screw. Again, use something to keep the rotor from spinning if needed. Stand the washer back up, reconnect your water lines, make sure your drain hose is back where it should be. Turn the water on and check for leaks. Then, go ahead and plug the washer back in. Let's run a quick spin cycle and listen. Sounds good to me. Fixed it. Probably. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more DIY repair videos, and let me know in the comments what you're working on next.